Hi, my name's Steve. I'm with Goodland Bee Supply. Today we're going to put together a super hive and a frame and foundation for your hive so you can see how they all go together. It's very simple and easy. It's within anyone's capabilities. There are two ends for each box and two sides. You can tell the sides they're longer than the end pieces. On the end piece, you'll also notice that there's a channel on the inside. That's to hold the frames. Each piece has a handle on the outside. Make sure the handle is on the outside. All right, this can be accomplished very easily. You dovetail together the pieces, side, side, handle on the outside. You'll see that it's a very tight fit. This is what you want. You can glue these or nail them if you'd like. Not necessary. They will stay together. Keep taps with a hammer if necessary here and there. The joints are tightly together. Go around it. And there you have a nice super bee box. Right. The next thing we're going to work on is a frame. The honey is actually accumulated by the bees. I'm using the top as a foundation just to nail on. Any hard surface obviously will do. I try to pre-start the nails. It's easier that way. Put them in and you're ready to go. There are two sizes of frames. Tall and small. Make sure you're using two of the same size. These are the 6-inch frames. Got a nice slot here. Put it together. Keep it as square as possible. And that goes together like that. Mario, would you hand me a small foundation, please? You'll notice that this has a slot in the bottom, and the foundation goes into the slot, and then the top, which has little notches at the end, as you'll see, and a slot in the top. It's longer than the bottom, the way I tell the difference. And it makes sure the foundation is in the slot. And that slides right down. A couple of nails. It also doesn't hurt to pre-start these. There you go. This is a fully finished frame, and you put it in your box like so. And when you get finished, you'll have 10 frames in your box and in each of the boxes. So, depending upon what size of a hive kit you've purchased, you'll put your brood box on the bottom. You have another brood box that comes next. This side goes there. Stack them up. They don't need to be nailed together. Inside top. And the outside top goes on top, and there's your finished hive, and you're ready to go out, get some bees, and start making honey.